We're now joined by Jason and the rest of his crew at Stamford Insurance. Tell us who else you have with you today.
I've got Amanda Vega, who's kind of the Chief Operations Officer in our office, my wife, Lanessa. We've got an independent insurance agency here in Stamford, Texas. It's been in business for over 50 years. We can cover just about any aspect of your life. We can do home, auto, commercial. We specialize in farm and ranch. We do life insurance. We're kind of a one-stop shop. The great thing about being an independent is you can come into our office and we can fit something to you instead of you having to fit somewhere. We've got 7 agents here in this office here in town. We're all vital members of the community. We're active with the community. We also have another office in Snyder that kind of serves that West Texas area of the big country that we're in.
And I know you talked about the insurance for ranching and farming. Let's talk about how big that is in this area and how busy that keeps y'all.
It's a great part of what we do. There's so many farmers and ranchers in this part of the big country, and their operations are getting bigger and bigger and more complex, that it takes more time to cover what they need and to help them liability-wise. And it's a pretty important part of what we do in our office. We've gotten to know all of them. It's a kind of all those are a family affair that we can relate to, and it's been really enjoyable.
And so all of y'all are from Stamford or no? Yes, all from Stamford. So what's that like to be able to serve people you grew up with, and they come in the office and you maybe know their kids' names and all of that?
I think it's a great opportunity for us whenever people can come in and we know what they're looking for and what they need. There's several times where we'll see a customer that we have and they're driving around in their new pickup and they forgot to call us, and that's the benefit of being small town. We can call them up and we can say, hey, we need to add that to your policy. We see several things like that, or a customer buys a new home and we just need to reach out to them. That's the benefit of small town community for sure.
And so tell us really quick where you're located at and how people can really get a hold of you.
We're at 124 South Swinson, which is the southwest corner of the square here in Stamford. You can find us at 773-2754. You can Google us. A lot of people, we have a web page that they can go to. They can contact us if they don't want to call, tell us what their needs are, and we can reach out to them that way also.
And so for someone maybe who has never had insurance before, how easy is it to come in and sit down and go through these policies and have y'all explain it for people who aren't in the business?
It's super easy. We love to sit down with them and explain what their current coverages are, how we can improve those, where the gaps are, offer them different alternatives that best fit them and their budgets, and just it takes about an hour, of their time, and then we can get back with them.
Okay, well, we appreciate y'all joining us today, and you have a booth set up here as well for KTAB on the road. Tell us what you got really quick.
Well, we've got a couple of drawings back here. You can come in for 3 different baskets prizes. Draw a name, put it in the basket, and we'll sit there and we'll contact you later with other information that you may need.
Okay, well, we appreciate y'all.